Can an HOA or condo association restrict satellite dishes or antennas? They can regulate placement. They cannot prohibit installation. The FCC's over-the-air reception device rule, that's the OTARD, O-T-A-R-D, draws that line clearly, and it's federal law. The OTARD rule is one of the most frequently violated and most easily avoided areas of condo and HOA overreach. Here's how it works. If a homeowner has exclusive use of a space, a balcony, a patio, a backyard, the roof of a single-family home, they have the legal right to install a satellite dish or an antenna there to receive video programming. The HOA's aesthetic concerns don't override that right. What the HOA can do is impose reasonable restrictions on where within that exclusive use space the dish can be placed, as long as those restrictions don't meaningfully impair reception. The key word in all of this is exclusive use. Common areas are very different, right? HOAs do retain authority over those. But the moment you're dealing with a space the homeowner controls, OTARD applies. Condos and townhomes are a bit different, and this is where boards often feel that they have more authority than they actually do. In most condo and townhome communities, the association controls the building's exterior, including the roof and balconies, which means OTARD's exclusive use protection doesn't just automatically apply the way that it does in a single-family home. However, the FCC has made clear that even in those situations, associations cannot leave a resident with no viable option for receiving a signal. Meaning if the association controls every possible installation surface, it may be required to designate a reasonable alternative location, like a common area rooftop, where residents can install a dish and receive adequate reception. Now, this really surprised me, but according to the FCC, approximately 35 million US households still use satellites or over-the-air antenna receptions. That's a lot of potential violations hiding in HOA rulebooks right now. If your antenna restriction policy wasn't written with the OTARD specifically in mind, it's worth having someone check it out.